Have you ever stumbled upon a mystery so intriguing it keeps you awake at night? One such enigma lies in the heart of an ancient extinct volcano, hidden amidst the swirling sands. This is the story of the forgotten city of Asteria, a city carved from radiant rose-colored rock, shimmering like a desert mirage under the relentless sun. Its history, a puzzle pieced together from weather-beaten inscriptions and whispers carried on the wind. The tale of Asteria dates back to a time before recorded history. It begins with the Eris, a nomadic tribe that could harness the very wind to shape their environment. They erected towering windmills that pulsed with life, directing the desert gales to fuel their advanced technology. Intricate glowing runes carved into the city's walls indicate their mastery over weather, a skill they used to cultivate lush gardens amidst the arid dunes. In its prime, Asteria was a beacon of innovation and harmony with nature. But the city's downfall is a chilling void in its tale. Some scholars suggest a cataclysmic sandstorm buried the city, while others argue internal strife or rebellion led to its demise. The most captivating theory, however, tells of a forgotten power, a destructive weapon that misfired, reducing Asteria to a silent monument. As centuries passed, the desert winds began to reveal Asteria's secrets. Fragments of their technology, wind chimes still singing faint melodies, remnants of a written language, all hint at a lost utopia. Today, scholars and treasure hunters flock to the city, drawn by the mystery it holds. Some seek knowledge, others fortune, but all who stand beneath the rose-colored walls feel the profound echo of a civilization lost to time. The future of Asteria is as mysterious as its past. Will it be fully unearthed, its secrets laid bare for all to see? Could it be swallowed once more by the unyielding desert sands? One thing remains certain: the story of Asteria continues. It is a testament to the enduring human spirit, its triumphs and tragedies, forever etched upon the wind.